Good morning, kindergarten. Today we are going to do interesting thing. Let's write the date first of all. You can write your own date. I'm writing today's date. So today is 3rd December 25. Let's read the task. Look at the pictures and name them. Can you name this one? What is this?
Starfish.
Very good. This is starfish. What is this?
Dolphin.
Very good. This is a dolphin. Now tell me, what is this? Yes.
Turtle.
Turtle. And what is this?
Whale.
Whale. Very good. And what is this?
Fish.
This is a fish. Very good. These all are sea animals. They live in sea. Now, draw any 3 water animals from the ones you see above. Okay? You need to draw any 3 water animals.
Let's draw it.
First, I am going to draw a fish. You can draw along me. First, you need to do this. Then draw its tail. And the fish is ready. Let's change it a little bit. Here we go, like this. It is pretty good now. We can draw some details like this. Now we need to draw a turtle. For that we need to draw a circle and some little bit more smaller circles. Its face, its arms. Let's make it perfect. Like this. You can draw its hind legs. And the turtle is ready. And now let's draw a starfish. For that you need to draw like this. It's pretty good. Now let's make its happy face. Oh wow, the starfish is ready. All 3 water animals are ready. But oh my god, the dolphin is so cute. I want to draw it too. And this is how my dolphin is ready. How do you like it? Don't forget to tell in the comments. I'm anxious to see your comments about my drawing. You can also try it at home. And don't forget to share your drawing with me in the comments.